Exercise makes me happy. It also makes me hungry. But I like to keep it healthy. With all the cycling, sometimes I need a little something extra. I call it my fourth meal. These mini meals have a little of everything I need, and they're really easy to make. Using fresh, organic ingredients and my favorite Colavita products, I'm able to find the perfect balance. This one is a white bean and avocado toast. Good fats from avocado and Colavita olive oil keep me feeling full. First, I mash up an avocado. I add a little bit of Colavita extra virgin olive oil. I like to chop a little parsley for garnish. Toast some multigrain bread. And spread my avocado mash right on top. A little white beans for some extra protein. Sea salt, pepper, and maybe even some crushed pepper. A little more Colavita olive oil, and my parsley, and that is a perfect fourth meal.